Good morning, students. The part of agglomeration here, the American agglomeration. American agglomeration. The America in American agglomeration include the population of North America and the South America. The population of North America and South America. Clear? In American agglomeration include the population of North America and the South America. Maximum population of the America resides in the US and Canada, and in South America here Brazil and Argentina. Then here the Canada, and here USA, and here Mexico. Then northeast part of USA, here the highly populated region, and then coastal region of the Canada, here highly populated region. This continent is the newest and the developed continent. Approx 90% population of the American agglomeration European migrant population, and 90% of population of the America, 90% of the population of the America, North America here comes from Europe. Yani European countries are the developed countries, and they face the problem of the lack of resources. Then they discover the many places, and here in North America they found the many resources and the possibility. Then they settle them and they permanently settle there. And the total population of the North America's part, approx 90% are comes from the Europe. Yeah, totally here the 90% European population migration in the North America continent. Here the found better transportation facility and mineral wealth, so they settle here, and approx 70% people live in the cities. Approx 70% people of the American agglomeration live in the cities. These countries are the developed countries in the North America, and population growth rate is controlled in the American agglomeration. Population growth rate is controlled in the American agglomeration because here the death rate also controlled and the birth rate also controlled in American agglomeration. Here in American agglomeration, here the maximum population come from the European continent. European continent, here the like Britain, France, Germany, Italy, Portugal, Belgium, Netherlands, etc. And they settle the maximum in the USA and the Canada country. Totally 90% people of American are the European, and remain 10% all comes from the all over world. And the mainly the red Indians of the America, यानी कि जो mainly जो अमेरिका के हैं वो only 10,000 people of American resides in the America. And the other part of other here the total people comes from the Europe and other countries. Clear? Next, African agglomeration. The Africa continent, here the large big area, and here the resides the population. This Africa continent, here in Africa continent found here Kalahari Desert, here Sahara Desert, and the 0 degree passing from here, and here found Kalahari Desert, here Sahara Desert. This is Kalahari Desert, here the Sahara Desert, and nearby 0 degree, nearby equator, here the found dense forests. Approx 70% part of the Africa continent. Approx 70% part of the Africa continent is the uninhabited and निर्जन है. यहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग रहते हैं. Here resides only the tribes people nearby the 0 degree equator. In these here the forests and the Sahara and the Kalahari Desert. Total world's population 15.4% part. Total world populations 15.4% part reside in the Africa continent. Total population 15.4% part. 15.4% part reside in the Africa continent. Africa continent have the second place according to the region in the whole continent. First place Africa, first place is the Asian continent, and second is the Africa continent. This 70% part of the Africa is uninhabited. Remain here the 30% part are the inhabited. Here the maximum population found nearby the river valley regions, because here the near river valley region, here the plain regions, here the fertile region, and the here economic activities like here the agriculture, animal husbandry are possible, so many people settle there. And the maximum population of the Africa continent also reside nearby the river valley region. The Africa's uninhabited regions can be classified in the three parts. First, here the Nile River Valley region. The maximum population of the Africa continent, the Africa agglomeration, resides nearby the river Nile River Valley region and the Guinea coast near the Zambia and the Niger River Valley. Guinea coast between the Zambia and the Niger River Valley region, and the southern and east coastal region of South Africa. Here the South Africa country, and in South Africa country here the southern part and the east coastal part. Here maximum population of the African agglomeration resides here. Here the three part totally 30% uninhabited regions, and here the three part. First is the Nile River Valley region. Here Nile River Valley region total. Here the Guinea coast, ठीक है, and the south and east coastal region of the South Africa. That's clear here. American agglomeration and the African agglomeration.